For the next part, right-click on the part folder, select Part Document, and from Standard Templates US, use Style Part Metric template and confirm. The interesting thing is that template has already steel material and setting all physical properties to automatic. As you see here, automatic for mass, center of mass. Rename the document clamp. Next step, create a sketch, a new sketch. Right-click on the graphic area, sketch command. And thanks to contour command, create the following sketch. After the contour, constrain the sketch via constraint command. For the length 150 millimeters. Depending of the cursor position, you can use X direction, Y direction, or follow the line. The goal is to have the sketch totally blue. That means totally constrained. Confirm the sketch, and from Shape tab, use Extruded command. Check Center option and give the value for the height 30 millimeters and confirm. Now, for the next step, you would like to create a new sketch from the top face. Right-click on this face and use Sketch command. Position the sketch. You can readjust the plane like this. You can also readjust origin point or direction of X or Y. Here, origin point, select the corner for instance, and confirm. And as you see, the position of the origin change. The origin of the sketch. Once again, reposition on the middle for instance. We are going to use standard profile from expand rectangle command menu and use standard profile. Select the up-round profile and give the dimension. For internal length 52 and a thickness 14 millimeters. After that, you can place your profile. You can click directly on the axis to create coincidence or not. You can also readjust the angle, horizontal or vertical, or give an angle. And use coincidence this axis and on x-axis. And now readjust the position, give a constraint from y-axis and center of arc, and give 49 millimeters. The sketch is totally blue. And now we are going to create a pocket operation. From Shape tab, use Pocket command. TopSolid select automatically the sketch number 2. You can force another one if you want. And adjust the depth. Here, truth for the limit, and confirm. Select the face, the top face here. Right click and use sketch command. If you want, you need to readjust the position of the origin. Use contour command. Create the following sketch. From the side edge, click on this edge. And for the next element, to switch on arc, use tangent arc option. Give a next point. Finish on the edge. Confirm. Can drag the point on the axis. Constraint command. Select the element and give the value. Alignment constraint from here to here. As you see, the projection mode is enabled. You need to activate to get some elements to project. Confirm the sketch. And from Shape tab, use Trim by Profile. Select the section by extruded mode. Check the side to remove. If necessary, you can reverse the side. And confirm. If you want, you can hide the section, right click on it and hide. You can see also from Entities tree the sketches, and you can hide or display these elements. Now from the side face, right click on it and use joining command. You can also from the Shape tab use joining. Position the hole. TopSolid adjust the position according to the closest face from top and back face. For instance, adjust the position. (21) 21 from top face, and for the back face 18. This is simple hole and diameter 12. For the depth, this is a true form. And confirm. For the next drawing, I use a new option. For the origin, you can select Reference Frame option to adjust the position. Reference frame from the previous drawing, frame 1 in the list, and then you can place dynamically the position. Adjust the dimensions. Change the diameter and select Truth Hole option and confirm. Now, from the edge, right-click on it and use chamfer command. Give a distance 10 mm and the angle 45 degrees. You can select the second edge and confirm. And for small edges, right-click on the edge, chamfer again, give 2 mm and select the edges like on the screen and confirm. To finish, right-click on the name on the project tree, Properties, Edit button, and give the description, clamp, and the part number. And like a previous exercise, we are going to give the material, Tools tab, Material and Coating, change the material, and save the document.